Candace Marie, and I'm going to walk you through the next steps, right? Okay, before that, I'm going to eat my Dove dark chocolate because a dark chocolate today keeps the doctor away. Next session, you're going to learn how to kick your debt to the curb, so that you can move on to your real life goals, like traveling, saving, maybe even buying a home and investing. Yes, I know those are your goals that you have. You should work with me if last year you didn't pay off as much debt as you thought you would. With me if you have dreams of being debt-free, but you've been falling short, trying to do it on your own, but you just can't do it. I'm here to help you. About this, what would it mean to not have to stress about your money anymore? To be able to finally start investing, to be able to finally have money saved in your account. If you had a plan to get rid of your debt, so that now you can move your real life money goals. In this video, I'm just going to walk you through the next steps about what's going to happen. After you put in your information below and set up a time for when we can chat, I'm going to hop on the phone and talk about what your money goals are and how I'm going to help you reach those money goals. Agree to work with me. I'm going to send you a questionnaire with a bunch of questions, like how much you make each month, how much are you spending in your expenses, valuable expenses, your fixed expenses, and even anything miscellaneous that you have. So once I have all this information, it'll take me 2 to 3 days to process. I'll hop on our 1-hour phone call and figure out where you're struggling, where you can cut back, what goals do you really want to reach, right? What's really important to you. So not only, and it's not just about the money, it's like what's going to make you happy in the long run, what is the life that you want to live, and how are we going to use money as a tool to get you to that happy destination. That's essentially what we're doing. That's what this plan is all about, getting you to the life that you truly want to live. Who likes to feel restricted with their money? That's the last thing I want with you. I want you to flourish. I want you to win this year. I want you to create that emergency fund because 70% of Americans don't have an emergency savings. And that's so sad because what's going to happen is if you don't have a cushion built for your emergency savings, if you run into a jam, let's say your car breaks down or you had a dentist appointment and it cost you more than you thought it was going to cost, now instead of pulling money into that emergency fund, you have to swipe it on your credit card. And then that's just adding more debt to your pile. And you're trying to be debt free. Am I correct? I know you're trying to be debt free, so we don't want to add any more debt to that pile. So that's why it's super important that we create this money plan so that you have a guide for how you're going to live your life over the next few months so that you can eventually get to your happy place. The place where you don't have to worry about your money. The place that you're not stressed, where you're not living paycheck to paycheck. After we get off the 1-hour chat, I will have collected all of this data and I would have the plan. I will create a plan for you over the next few months about where your money is going to go. No more guessing when you get paid. You are going to know exactly where your money is going to go. 5-minute phone call is free, but in order for you to sit down with me for an hour chat where we map out and dive deep into your money goals, prices are listed below. And I believe this is super affordable, right? Every week every 2 weeks you get paid, and maybe you have money to go to brunch or dinner or even buy a few glasses of wine or go to the club or a concert. Just think of that disposable money instead of spending it towards those things this month. How about you spend it and invest in yourself? Invest in your future. Invest in me, and it's going to give you a return back into you versus you buying a drink or you going to a concert. And that's not really going to give you a return. It's not really going to help you reach the goals that you really want to reach, right? You've been dreaming of having more money saved, of paying off your debt, or just having a plan for your debt and just knowing that you can sleep peacefully at night, knowing that you have a plan. It sucks not having a plan. I know. I used to live that way. I used to not have a plan for my money. I used to just spend frivolously. And until I realized I had to change. I had to make some changes. I had to invest in myself. Being able to help out your friends and family in a time of need because you have the extra money, not like you don't have it saved. How about finally being able to have a peace of mind and not getting anxiety every time you get paid because you feel limited and like you don't know where your money is going to go? Imagine finally being able to be free, to use money towards the things that you actually enjoy doing and getting to your happy place, getting to the place that truly makes you happy in life. I'm going to help you get there. I'm going to help you figure out how to use money as a tool to get to the life that you really want to live. I look forward to chatting with you in our session. I'll talk to you soon.